Good morning, Botswana. This is Sarah speaking with you today with a short brief from around the world. Today marks the third week since the pandemic has started going all over the world. The numbers are still increasing.
Oh my God,
and
what
many
is
countries
happening?
are
Is it
going
really
into a
getting
full
more
lockdown.
complicated?
Italy and Spain are having now more than 20,000
I have to
cases
text
daily,
Jean
where
with
the
the
death rate
updates.
continues in increasing as well. Our Prime Minister is holding today an
Hey
emergency
Jean, this is
meeting with
Tabo
the
from
board
Botswana. I
members
am
to
packing
discuss
now
the
to head to the
situation
airport
and
in 30
possible
minutes.
plans to
Things are
apply
a bit
for
unstable
numbers
around the
that
world,
show danger
but I
of
guess we could still meet in Mexico, right? Let me know any updates please from your side. See you soon, bye.
Hey Tabo, don't worry, everything is going to be okay. I am waiting for you pal to show you around. Take care. Bye.
Dear passengers, please note that all flights departing from Cairo International Airport are suspended due to the coronavirus pandemic. Please contact your airline as soon as possible for further help.
أعزائي الركاب، يرجى ملاحظة أن جميع الرحلات المغادرة من مطار القاهرة الدولي متوقفة بسبب جائحة فيروس كورونا. يرجى الاتصال بشركة الطيران الخاصة بك للحصول على مزيد من المساعدة.
Hey Jean, things are not going so well here in my transit in Cairo. I might not be able to come. I will try to do some sightseeing here though and update you. Bye.
Hey Tabo, this sounds really bad. But we could try something I have always wanted to try. I heard there are some pyramids in Cairo. Could you just go there and wait for my call?
Hi Jean, I just took a cab and I am on my way to the pyramids. I do not know what you have on mind, but let's just see what can we do there.
Let's check now how can this work. You have to find the magical chamber my grandpa told me about. If this actually worked, we can save a lot of money afterwards and just enjoy our time anywhere and anytime. Where is it? Where is it? Let's go this way. Hello, anybody here? Oh my God, what is happening? Help, anyone, help, help, help. What is this? Help me, oh, ah. Oh my God, it worked. I think I am in Cairo now. Let me call Tabo to check where he is. Hi Tabo, listen. Come meet me now by the greatest pyramid Khufu. I have one big surprise for you.
Hello Jean, meet you? Are you serious? You must be kidding me. No way, okay, I am coming right now. Ha 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 ha, oh my God, no way, this must be a lifetime experience. Through the monuments? I still cannot believe it, Jean.
Yes, Tabo, it was magnificent and unbelievable. Let's decide now. Where would be our next destination? We have a long travel list now to visit.
Yes, indeed. What about China now? The Great Wall? Let's do it.